Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to block internet on an Azure VM. So I have an existing VM to acknowledge. The IP address of the VM is 1076.47.45. I'm already logged into 1076.47.40. Let me check what is the current status. Okay, so I can clearly see I have internet. Let me check from command google.com. I'm getting a response. So let's have a look at the current network security group rules. When you create a new VM, by default, these are the following inbound ports that will be open. So deny all inbound. It's denied. Then Azure load balancer traffic inbound, it is allowed. VNet traffic is also allowed. Then RDP port 3389 is also allowed. Now let's have a look at outbound port rules. So there are three rules by default. So outbound, all the traffic is denied. Then all internet is by default allowed. And VNet outbound is also by default allowed. So now let me show you how to disable internet on my VM. So we have to add one more outbound rule. So source, we can leave it at any. Destination, we are choosing service tag. Destination service tag, we have so many options. We are choosing internet. And service instead of service, you can just choose star. And this we are going to deny. Let's name it internet. Okay, this should add one more rule. Okay, now one thing to remember, when you are disabling internet, what about the traffic to your Azure resources? Your VM will be connecting, your VM will be communicating with the disk, with the storage container, with the log analytics, with the VM extension, with the virtual network, with the load balancer. What about that? So we are going to cover that in a short while. So let's check. Do I still have internet? Okay, it might take a minute or so. Let's do a continuous ping. Okay, so it has timed out. Okay, let me close this window. Let me open it once again. www.bing.com. So it's stuck at waiting for Bing. Okay, so we have cannot reach this page. So now if we look at it, we already have a rule allow all internet, which is allow, and the one which we created internet, that is deny. So why this one worked and this one didn't? If we look at the Microsoft explanation for priority, it says rules are processed in priority order with lower numbers processed before higher numbers. So here 100 is a lower number, so this is processed over the default rule, which is this. Now then it says once traffic matches the rule, processing stop. As a result, any rule that exists with lower priorities that have the same attributes as rules with higher priorities are not processed. So the first one and the third one, they were similar rules. So the first one with higher priority was processed and the third one was not processed. However, the second one was processed because it has a different destination. As it says, same attributes are not processed, but in this case, in the case of second one, the attributes are different. So the first is processed, second is processed, the third one matches with the first one. So because of higher priority, this is processed and this is not processed. So as we have checked, our internet is not working. So this was in my today's video. If you found this video useful, please like my video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching.